Today I'm going to be continuing my discussion on fidgeting by creating fidget toys. So in my last video, I was talking about how I love fidget toys. And I mean, you can buy some that are like this, or even some like these, but honestly, they break the bank. So I'm going to show you how you can make two different kinds without breaking the bank. The first one I'm going to show you, I actually made out of flour. I used latex balloons, flour, a scoop, and a funnel. So what I first do is I take a balloon and I blow it up. This actually helps put the air in it so that the flour can fill up the air. And then you let out the air. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to take your funnel and you're going to insert it into the mouth of the balloon. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to take your flour and you're going to put it into your balloon. And I tend to tap the side of the funnel. That helps the flour go down into the balloon. So once it's all in, you're going to take your funnel out carefully. I tend to just lay it on my bag of flour and tap the flour back into the bag. You are then going to tie up your balloon right at the mouth. And there you go. You have one squishy, fun, soft fidget toy. Blue is my favorite color to make these fidget toys out of, but I mean, you can do white, you can do pink, you can do red. I also really like marbled balloons. I unfortunately couldn't find them. And I also love smiley face balloons. Again, I couldn't find them. You can make your own smiley face balloon using a Sharpie and a yellow balloon. Next, we'll be making the fidget toys with the water beads. So the first thing you're going to do is open up your water bead container and you're going to pour about half a teaspoon, they're bouncy, half a teaspoon of water beads into a bowl. Oops, super bouncy. You're going to try to get them all into the bowl at least. Next, you're going to fill the bowl with water. After you're done, you're going to set this aside for 6 hours to let the water soak up into the water beads. So this is a bowl of water beads I had already made. I had put them in the fridge because I like them cold. So what you're going to do next is take your balloon and you're going to inflate it like you did with the balloon for the flour. You inflate it so that the water beads have somewhere to go and the air will then displace it as the water beads fill the balloon. Next, you're going to take a scoop of your water beads and you're going to fill it into a funnel. I'm using a bottle because my funnel's a little too small. And again, they are super bouncy. So next what you're going to do is you're going to take the mouth of your balloon and you're going to stretch it over the bottle, like so. Try and get it right into the center, that way the base can open up and fill the balloon faster. Next, you're going to dump the water beads into the balloon. I like to tap the bottle so that it helps make the beads go in there faster. Once it's filled, you're going to take the balloon off and you're going to tie it up like you did with the balloon with the flour. And here you have it, one homemade fidget toy filled with water beads. Leave a comment down below if you tried these, which one was your favorite? I actually really like the water balloon ones because they actually have a little bit more of a sensory component to them and I just like how they feel in my hands. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and gently tap that like button. And remember to be kind, compassionate, and true to you.